Okay, whatever. Taninyai, behead to Pavane, Daddy, behead to a message level, and your Poko at a wall. No, Kika the Kane, behead Pavane, and do the Katiba, and the team went no bloody bar, but deep a poop. But Tima better develop golden star. Where made a wedding the head to bar, but I gave a KSV, but Kai Polo program, Golden Star Senior Program, where they had to pay. Okay, we there, but when the Doganale, but data we keep very meaningful and makes sense to be here today. So, with us, do I know go on? Behead you message data we poke you, that way they better tell and do war, no?